Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have September's Globein box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So September Globein box is here. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So this time, however, it was my fault on how you're seeing this late. I did actually receive this box really early this month, but it was like right before I left to go to California for a week to go visit my mom. So I kind of just was like, oh, I had so much other stuff to do. I was like, I'll just record it when I get back. So now I'm back. I'm gonna get back in action. So this time, literally, I did receive it early because I chose everything sooner this time, but I just wanted to let you know it's my fault because of my traveling on why you're seeing it later. But let's go ahead and dive in and let's see. The great thing about me choosing them early is now I completely forgot what my choices are gonna be. So it's kind of like a little surprise because honestly, I can't remember. I know last box I did like all crystals. I chose every single item was a crystal and I loved that. So this time I don't really remember. But the great thing about Globein is you get to choose every single product, all 3 different options, and there's so many things you can choose from. You can choose things for yourself, for gift ideas, that kind of thing. They will all be listed down below if you like to go and check them out. So on the side, I'm going to be showing you all of the different options that you could choose from for option number 1, and then I'm gonna find out which one of these in here I chose for it, and then we'll go to the second and then the third. Again, I love that you get to choose every single item. Everything comes extremely packaged so well. I've never had anything broken or anything like that. So, I don't really remember this. I don't really remember these. Okay, so let me get the last item out of here, which is right here. Okay, so all of those different options, which of course there's so many different things to choose from, but what caught my eye and I thought would be super cute to set somewhere in my house or maybe even my background at some point was this jar right here. So this is how it looks. This is the jar and lid in turquoise ceramic, valued for $52. It's 4.5 inches high and 3.8 inches diameter, 13 ounce. So you have this lid, and then you'll have your little card down inside, and then that's what it looks like. That's the bottom. But again, this is just really pretty. I love those blues. It looks really pretty with the yellow. It's not exact because this is handmade. That's what gives it so much character. And I just love getting all these handmade things. And you can use this for anything. Cotton balls, Q-tips, like literally this could be used for anything, or just have it sitting looking really cute. So it just says, turquoise waves invokes the Guatemalan Caribbean as flowers in the same tone add their beauty to this lovely design. And nature was the inspiration. Again, that is just really pretty. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it, but I'm so glad that I have it. So now you can choose from option number 2, and all of these would be the different options that you can choose from. I actually, once I saw this, I mean, I don't need any more bags. Like, I need a bag like I need another hole in my head. But once I saw butterfly, I had to grab it. So this is what it looks like. It has a little tassel thing that hangs down here. I don't know if they're all going to be pink or if they're all different, sent at different colors. But that image with the butterfly is just simply beautiful. It says, they decorate the front of this cotton canvas bag with a monarch butterfly in black on off-white, an off-white bag. That is just really pretty. I like that it does have a little handle so you can hold it if you would like. And then, ooh, I wasn't expecting it to be like that on the inside. It's like plastic lined. So if you do have something in there, it'll be easily wiped out and cleaned. That is really nice that it has that plastic lining on the inside. So yeah, you can use this for anything. You have your little tassel pull, which I might switch this out to a different color because I have some like for bookmarks and stuff like that. But I think that is absolutely beautiful. I love the monarch butterfly. And this here is valued at $32. It's 100% cotton and with the plastic lining. That is so neat. I love that plastic lining. Okay, so now all of the different choices you can choose for the third option. As I was scrolling through and I saw this wooden avocado. I don't know if you guys know, I do have an actual tattoo of an avocado that's in memory of my grandfather. He had the best avocados on his tree when he was alive, and so after his passing I did put a avocado on me, and so when I saw this I'm like, I have to get that. So this is basically to remind me of my grandfather's amazing avocado trees, and I miss him more than his avocados, but I just thought that would be perfect. And look, it looks almost like a pear. It is like the perfect size, like life size, and it's wood. It's a wooden avocado. I just think that is super unique. And this right here is valued at $22. It's hand painted and hand carved. And that is just, again, just simply beautiful. And it's wooden, and I love that. So $22 value, there is my third option. So that is everything that I chose for my 3 different options. You have option number 1, number 2, and number 3. You guys, so again, that is what I chose. Now, once you do get your 3, you do have an option of selecting a different item, like at a discounted rate. So all of these right here would be like an additional boost your box kind of thing. If you do not want to purchase anything extra, you could just stop at your 3rd one. No other additional charges would be charged to you or anything like that. And then you could just move on with your 3 items. But if you do see something there and you want to snag it at a discounted rate, you can add it to your box, and then they charge you that additional fee to add it to your box. So I just want to point that out. You do have options to add to your box, as well. I just love this little avocado. If you would like a little bit more information about Globein, I will let you know right about now. They do have a perk if you actually having a subscription where you can purchase anything from their shop and you get 20% off. If you just want to dabble in there and just shop their shop without going to a subscription, you wouldn't have that discounted rate. However, they made a code for you guys for that reason. So you can use code SheCrafty, and that will get you 20% off the shop if you are not a member. If you are a member, you already get that 20% off, which is amazing. But again, if you didn't want to jump to a subscription, but you wanted to purchase some individual items for yourself or for gift ideas, use that SheCrafty and you'll get 20% off their artisan shop, which has so many amazing products. You can go and check them out. But if you want to jump to the subscription, then you can do a 3-month. That's the least amount. They do not do month per month. It's always in a 3-month is the least amount you can do at a time. So for 3 months, it would bring your box to $40 per box. If you want to save some money and go to a 6-month, that will bring your box price down to $37 per box. And if you go to a full 12-month plan, that will bring your box price down to only $35, and you get those 3 items that you get to choose in every single box. They will be all linked down below. And again, if you don't want to jump to the subscription, SheCrafty will save you that 20% off their shop. If you like to check out other companies, see other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can check out my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I have for this particular video. Comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of the choices this month? Did you see something that you would have chose? Did you see anything that I chose that you would have chose? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.